You need to pull a copy of your IRS transcript, and I'm going to tell you how to do that for no charge. Absolutely free by yourself. Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Michelle and I have been in the business of business for over 20 years. And a part of being in good business is knowing where you stand with your taxes. So this is for the individual. There are options for business or tax preparer. We're talking about the individual. You are the person trying to pull your transcript. Okay, this isn't for anybody else. For starters, you are going to need an email address, one that you are going to use forever and ever and ever, because it will be how you are going to sign in to this transcript account. You're going to need your personal information, right? Name, date of birth, social, address. You are also going to need a government issue ID, passport, driver's license, state ID. Those all work. Okay. And of course, your social security number, but you will also need a smartphone or a webcam. I think you could use a tablet or some just anything with a mobile device with a webcam, because they're going to use that to identify you. Okay. Once you have all the things you need, you're going to go to IRS.gov. That's IRS.GOV. There are a lot of fake sites. You don't get redirected or rerouted. Not .com, IRS.gov. Because once you put your information in a bad site, they have your info. That's all kinds of bad news, identity theft, all those things. Once you're in IRS.gov, you want to go to sign into my account or sign into account. You'll see it. You'll understand. When you go there, when you're creating a new account, this is your first time signing in, you've never done this before, you're going to create an ID.me account. And this is all through the IRS.gov website. You don't have to, this is all streamlined in one place. Okay. So once you click there, this is where they're going to start asking for your email, your personal information, things like that. You're literally going to have to take a picture of your ID as well as a selfie. And you may have to, depending on what system they're using, you may have to also take pictures of yourself, from different angles, because they want to make sure you are who you say you are. Once you have identified yourself and your account is set up, depending, on when you're watching this, they may kick you out and make you sign in. And from that point on, you will always be prompted for either a text or a phone call to the phone number that you've used to set the account up. Now that you've identified yourself, you've put the code in, and you're in your account, you show up to the IRS transcript homepage, right? It'll show you any notifications that you may have received but haven't responded to. You can really do a lot here in this transcript, in this account area. You're able to check the status of previous tax returns, I believe up to the most recent 3 years. You can see, if if you had a W-2 but you lost it, you can see what the IRS has on file for it. It gives you partial information though, just to be aware. It will not give you your state info. This is strictly W-2 federal information. You have to reach out to your particular state in order to get any state information. But for someone who is literally trying to see a copy of their transcript for previous tax year, well, this is where you would select records and status, and then you can click on view your transcripts. And this will show you what you've done in previous years, what you've received. You can even check your refund status, as I said before. So it's a lot of information. Click around, see what's on there. You never know what you're going to find that you maybe didn't realize was out there, or missing information at times. So good luck for whatever reason that you're pulling your transcript. I hope this video was helpful. I will be posting more tips, tricks, tidbits. Like and subscribe to stay in the know.